It's time to clean up. Hey, boys and girls, it's time to clean up. Time to put all of your things away. Clean up, clean up. It's time to clean up. Don't leave the toys there to stay all day. Clean up, clean up. It's time to clean up. Put your toys back on the shelf or in the box. You had fun and you enjoyed them a lot. Just a little bit more, then you are done. Pick up, clean up, and you'll be number one. Clean up, clean up. It's time to clean up. Tomorrow will be another day you'll want to explore. Clean up good. Make us impressed. Stack the toys up right and clean up your mess. Tomorrow will be another day you'll want to explore. So put the toys back where you found it from. You all played together and you had fun. Pick all of it, don't leave not one. If you do a great job, then your work will be done. Pick all the toys up, okay, girls and boys? And please don't say that the toys wasn't yours. Put them all away and do your best. It's nice and clean. You have passed this test. Great job.
Yeah!
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.